Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of October. And first of all, national news. Ratan Tata critical under intensive care in Mumbai hospital, a report said. Hyundai Motor India's IPO will open on 15th of October. IIT Delhi offered Design Thinking and Innovation Certificate program. World Mental Health Day is observed on October 10 each year. Kolkata's junior doctors versus cops over leaflet distribution at Puja Pandals. Special postage stamp to commemorate 25 years of Adani Group's Mundra port. And now international news. US weighed Google broke up as remedy in historic antitrust case. Private banks in Taiwan seek to explore virtual asset custody business. FSC showed support. Now some sports news. CS Santosh rode the Rally Prep Royal Enfield Himalayan at 2024 Rally TT Cuenca in Spain. India are all set to face Bangladesh in the second T20 of the three-match series in Delhi. Indian women won maiden medal in team event in Asian Table Tennis Championships. Shefali Verma and Smriti Mandhana have started the proceedings for India again. Sri Lanka and Dubai. Arshdeep Singh entered top in bowlers ICC T20 rankings. Business-related news. Garuda Constructions IPO subscribed 1.9 times on day 1. SpiceJet settled $132 million dispute with aircraft leasing firm BBAN. Hyundai's $3 billion IPO, India's largest ever to open next week. RBI kept key lending rate unchanged at 6.5% for 10th consecutive time. And it's all in news. Thank you.